Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Toyota Kluger, stock number 5897. This ran from 01-2010 to 04-2007. This has a 3MZ3E 3.3 litre V6 engine, petrol engine, backed by a 5-speed all-wheel drive auto transmission. Here we have a 3MZ3E 3.3 litre V6 engine. Left front headlight, sunbake, needs polish. Front bonnet, no dents. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear taillight.
For most people, mosquito bites cause itchy red bumps on the skin, but for Sam, they result in extremely painful swelling that lasts for days.
Rear boot lid.
Doctor's solution?
Small dent, left rear corner.
That's when Sam decided to take matters into his own hands.
Right rear taillight.
With a gift for engineering and a desire to live without the constant fear of getting bitten.
16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre.
And discovered something they were all missing.
Right rear door, no dents.
By emitting a broad spectrum of light over the tracks. But Sam pinpointed the exact frequency
Right front door, small dent.
like a magnet and built a device that kills them in their tracks.
Right front mirror.
Get into school, and the results were incredible.
Right front guard, no dents.
The device killed 99%
Factory 16-inch alloy wheel,
7 times more
good
effective
tyre.
than any other device they tested against. He was told by his professor
Right front headlight, needs polish, sun fade. Power window switch. Center console lid. Gear stick. Stereo. AC controls. Mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Courtesy light with a sunglass holder. 4-spoke factory steering wheel. Instrument cluster.